Good morning, guys. It is about 7:20 a.m. right now, and you are watching the day in the life of a world topper. Today it's gonna be an eventful day. Hopefully, I'll take you through what I do throughout the entire day. So right now, I just woke up a few minutes ago. I had bath, freshened up, and now I'm gonna be going to. Yeah. So this is usually my breakfast. Just some fruits, and then if I'm still hungry, I'll like rather have something like a muesli or some oats. For me, since I'm late today, we will be substituting the entire fruit bowl with this little pear that I'm eating here, and hope that I reach there on time. Right, guys, had a good drive today, and yes, with 5 hours of sleep or even lesser actually, maybe I don't know. But yeah, now we'll go home and just have some breakfast. Like today, I had muesli. Okay, so we are finally back in our study. It is 8:46 right now, and we are sitting to work. I had a very nice, second half of my breakfast today because I didn't really have a good one before. So I had some muesli and some mangoes with my father. And then yeah, we just had a really nice chat, just spent some time together. Now he's gone off to work. My mom has gone off to vacation. And now I am over here just preparing for my final A level exam, and then I'll be just so done with it. I'm actually mentally like really fed up of giving CAIA exams at this point of time. And yes, I am a 7-time CAI awardee, and that's coming from someone like me. But then, yeah, it's been like a really exhausting year, and I just can't wait for these summer vacations to begin. But anyway, we need to get productive. We need to do some work there. Let's see what work we have to do. Start my day with checking up some emails and then making my calendar for the day. Usually like schedule my calendars the night before. That really helps. And like I have a task list, so I use Google Keep. I just keep uploading all the petty tasks that I have to complete, because that just takes up so much mental space, and I just want to get done with them as soon as possible. Yeah, but then yesterday I was editing this video until like 1 p.m., and then I had to wake 1 a.m., and then I had to wake up really early today as well. So yeah, I couldn't really schedule stuff today, but then I will do it right now. Okay, also, if you can't notice, I am pretty sleep deprived at this point. My dark circles can show you really clearly. Um, yeah, I haven't really been like, I'm someone who really needs to prioritize sleep, get in the 7-8 hours of sleep every day, and clearly I've been living off 4 or 5 hours of sleep a day. And if I've been lucky, I can catch like a half an hour or an hour's power nap during the day. But yeah, pretty exhausted to be honest, and it's just the start of the day. So yes, world toppers do feel exhausted, do feel burnt out, but then we know how to function at these critical energy levels as well, and that's something I'll try to show
Every
you
day
today.
is a wildly different day, but I'm blocking out my schedules for today so that they're aggressive and flexible at the same time. Check out the carded video for secrets of timetabling from a world topper.
Thing I want to do is actually just make sure that my table's all well set, everything's perfectly clear. Because yeah, it tends to get really messy over the days. Books pile up, papers pile up, and then I just want to ensure that nothing's really surrounding this space where I work, and I can have a very clear stream of thought. After so our first task of the day is solving a past paper for further mathematics. Let's go. We have completed one for the pure paper. It was sort of okayish, to be honest. I made some silly errors, but then yeah, learned a lot. Now I think I have scheduled some time to sleep. Alright guys, I had a really nice nap there. Now it's 12:15, and I will be solving another past paper. So yeah, it's like I have blocked out my morning for studying further mathematics. So I solved a pure mathematics paper in the morning, and right now I will be solving a statistics paper, which I feel I am a little more confident about. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so the further math revision for today is sort of done. The stats paper that I just solved, I scored 46 out of 50, which is obviously not the result I was hoping for. Made a couple of silly errors, But then, yes, I did learn from those, and I'll try to not implement them again. Now I am going to my grandmother's place to have lunch. It is about 1:30 right now. And then after that, I will head to a very special place. Hail and hearty lunch. Let's go. So, abhi metro mein I just caught up with some work, and now I have met my friend over here.
Hello guys.
He's Rishabh. Rishabh is another very genius personality, and he's very hardworking and sincere. So now he has ensured that I come to class on time today by calling me 100 times. So अब हम आ गए हैं. Now.
Never on time. Never on time. Never.
So abhi we will go there, and he has some surprise for everybody. Let's see what he does.
Put back. Yes. Yes. हाथ यहाँ पर. दोनों हाथ. हाँ.
तो अभी
किसने किया था?
1 मिनट रुक, इंट्रो देने दे पहले. ठीक है, अभी हम यहाँ पर आ गए हैं फ्रेंड्स. हमारे सर का बर्थडे है, मनोज नारंग सर, द मैन, द मिथ, द लेजेंड. एंड वी हैव द फेवरेट स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे, मीत. एंड वी हैव दिवीना. एंड वी हैव द मोस्ट हैंडसम बॉय, ऋषभ. हाँ, अभी करो बच्चों. एक्सपीरियंस्ड प्लेयर.
छोड़ अनय, इसके राज खुलेंगे तो.
Guys, we have accomplished one very interesting thing. क्या किया अभी हमने? मैंने
कितनी बार टॉप किया उसने कैमरे?
बार बार है. मैंने AIR 1.
By 9. पापा उसने बोला है ऑन द ऑफ पे दबांडू.
AC ऑन नहीं किया हमने. और मैंने
I will take your award अनय.
डन.
All 5.
नहीं, एक ही मिलेगा.
एक रखूंगा तेरे पास.
अच्छा.
वो चुभेगा. मैं भी देता हूँ 5 रुपए.
अगर तू नाच, अच्छे से नाचा 500 रुपए
ये
मिलेंगे.
देखो कंटेंट के लिए पैसा दे.
तू नाच ना, ये सब. अबे भाई, एडिट मैं करने वाला हूँ, तो ये जाएगा कि नहीं डिसाइड मैं करूँगा. तो नाच अभी फटाफट. We have a genius plan. क्या प्लान है हमारा?
ये है भोलेनाथ का प्रसाद और ये जाएगा सर के पेट में आज. ये सर का बर्थडे. And keeping in consideration that he has to go home, meet his family, go out, why not do it with some fun? तो ये लेंगे, अमूल कूल मंगाया हम लोग ना, उसमें डालेंगे, मिक्स करेंगे, देंगे. जवानी आ जाएगी सर.
क्या बात है. अभी देखते हैं आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स क्या होने वाले हैं.
Yes. अंदर
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sir. सर, ये देखो, सर की जवानी की फोटो देखो.
सर सॉल्ट एंड पेपर.
विराज जी, सर, नारंग सर. सर, नहीं, आप इतना इम्पोर्टेंट दिन है आज, कोई बहुत महान इंसान पैदा हुआ है. हाँ, तो ये दिन पर क्या करना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट को? यहाँ पे अभी कुछ चल रहा है.
थोड़ा खाली करना पड़ेगा.
ऑपरेशन हो रहा है यहाँ पे.
वन साइड तेरे हाथ में होगा.
उसमें लेस भी है, लेस भी खोल दे उसमें.
सारे बोलो जय भोलेनाथ. तू भी बोल.
चुप रहे, करना पड़ता क्या है.
बोलो बम बोले. सुन ना सारे.
वाह वाह, जय भोलेनाथ, क्या बात है. रुक जा 2 घंटे, 2 घंटे पर टाइम लगेगा. अब हम यहाँ पर बर्थडे गिफ्ट में सर को एक बर्थडे का नशा गिफ्ट करने वाले हैं. बहुत ही प्यार.
For context, we ordered snacks and cold coffee for everyone, and because Sir loves Holi so much, we thought we'd bring Holi twice this year mixed in that cold coffee for him.
Cheers. ये भी
अरे चियोस करके वीडियो
Cheers. अरे खोलना क्या कर रहा है पागल? एक मिनट रे यार क्या कर रहा है यार? Cheers. सर देखते हैं वो ऑटो मतलब कौन पहले कर सकता है.
देखने पहले कौन खत्म करता है.
किसमें? उसमें? नहीं सर.
इसको स्टार आया इसको. हाँ दूध में डालेंगे तो क्या कड़ल हो जाएगा, फट जाएगा दूध. ऐसा कैसे चलेगा? ये देखो इसको, ये दूध पी रहा है. दिखा दूध दिखा.
In this video, I'm going to raise a very controversial question, and that question is: has this world become a better place? Thank you very much for watching.
तो डिबेट क्यों कर रही है?
बायोलॉजी स्टूडेंट को माचिस जलाने नहीं आता.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear sir. Happy birthday to you. अब मेन काम जो है इतनी मेहनत हमने की है, अब वसूली कर रहे हैं.
But generally, thank you so much to Narang sir for everything. He's been a rock star, one of the coolest teachers I've ever met.
नारंग साहब ने नॉक कैसे नहीं किया?
उसको पूछ.
मैं तो किया, आप नहीं किए भाई.
Alright guys, so we just left from class. We had a blast. We always have, these deep conversations, these random conversations, pulling each other's leg. It's always so interesting, and it's one of the reasons that's made me fall in love with math and the subjects as well. My teachers, so yes, heavily indebted to them, heavily grateful to them. And अभी मेरे साथ मेरा भाई है, हम जा रहे हैं वापस. अभी क्या प्लान है भाई तेरा?
भाई का डेडिकेशन देखो, जिम जा रहा है अभी.
हाँ अभी जिम जाना पड़ेगा यार. आज पता है क्या हो गया? आज बहुत एक गलत चीज़ हो गई. सर ने फोर्स कर दिया हमको कि पिज़्ज़ा खाना पड़ेगा. तो मेरा जो डाइट थी वो अब टूट चुकी है. ठीक है, कर लेंगे थोड़ा भी जिम, एक्स्ट्रा कार्डियो कर लेंगे और क्या. Guys, we're heading into the gym. Let's go. Let's smash a decent workout. Probably get some energy to finish the tasks that I have at night. Let's go. Okay guys, we had a really great productive gym session. I came in here about 6:30 and right now it's 7:55, which is almost 8 o'clock. So I had like about 1 hour 20 minutes or so of a very nice workout. Now I do feel a little more recharged. Maybe the adrenaline is kicking in, but right now I have to go home and we have some things to do as per our calendar. I was supposed to be home and finish my dinner by this time, but looks like we took a little longer. Right, we're home. Okay, so guys, I just freshened up, took a nice shower, shaved, and now I'm all set for my meeting, which is due to start in 5 minutes. And I still have to prepare dinner and have my dinner. And obviously just gets my hair good as well. It's really messy. But it's, what I've realized over the years is that when schedules are so packed, like for me, everything is happening in the nick of time. So I barely have a spare 15 minutes to do something, and if I overshoot my task by 10 minutes, that really sort of troubles or affects all of my schedule. And it's always often these little things, like for example, let's say you came across a nice opportunity when you're scrolling LinkedIn or Instagram or something, and then you reach out to that person, and then for example they reply back, and then you have this nice conversation. So it's a good thing to do. It's a nice networking opportunity, but then in hindsight it's just taken 10 minutes away from your daily schedule, and that little things like those really add up in the big scheme of things. Being this world topper or being this leader, being someone who wants to achieve big things, it's always all about just figuring it out, figuring your schedules, just crunching, just running between deadlines, you know, without a break, just, you know, going on and on and on at times for days, right? There will be days when you have you know, some spare time to pursue some hobbies, but then there will be days like today which is super hectic, and it wasn't really hectic. I mean, I had a nice little gala time enjoying at sir's birthday, but then if you look at my schedule, I didn't really have time for myself, a free time where I could choose what I wanted to do, right? So yes, you just sort of figure it out, crunch your schedules, run from here to here, and then, you know, sometimes sleep is compromised. Yes, I think today also I will be sleeping late and I have no choice but to get up, you know, early at 6 in the morning tomorrow as well. But yes, that is, you got to do what you got to do, and there is no running away from the fact that, okay, I'm sleepy, I'm tired, I'm exhausted, I am not in the mood to do something like this. So all those excuses are something that you need to get rid of. So yes, I'm cooking dinner for myself, a nice little salad over here. That will be my dinner. And if you're wondering, okay, where's my family? My mother and my sisters have gone to my grandparents' place, my nanny's place for, you know, the summer. My dad's catching up with some of his friends, and my mate's on a leave as well. So it's like a very coincidental thing that I'm home alone today. Today's dinner, it's pretty, like, you know, mediocre, to be honest. I mean, yeah, not the best of things that I can cook. I can really cook nice food, but then in 5 minutes, this is the best I can do. Yeah, देखो मेरी meeting चालू है. 10:30 right now, and in ideal circumstances, I was supposed to go to bed or spend some time with my father. But now I do have to edit one reel, and then only I can go to bed. Past midnight, I've been editing for like 1.5 to 2 hours, and to, you know, think of it as a very simple edit because my friend helped me with a lot of the edits already. So yeah, I am just wrapping up, and now it's gonna be finally be a good night's sleep. Now we will be making our schedule for tomorrow, and then we will be going to bed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it with as many people as possible. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Good night.